my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing another video with Lennon.
And today we are going to be doing a pet peeve video. So let's get on with the video.
Hold the camera with one hand while playing with slime.
My pet peeve is when there is noise in the background, like singing. Happy llama, sad llama, mentally disturbed llama, super llama, drama llama, big fat mama llama, 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 llama.
Who is this big llama? Starting on
Why
this
are you
drama.
singing that song?
I like llamas, llama dancing in the sky, llama, llama obsession. I like llama.
Why
My
is
next
it
pet peeve is when you do it. You play with the slime so much, and you like do bubbles, but you don't crunch it.
I'm already doing it.
It's such a big pet peeve of mine. It doesn't seem that big of a pet peeve, but it is huge. You should try doing it.
Next pet peeve is when they play with the slime too slow.
It's gonna be when they do one finger poke. Only one. You rip it and all the beads fall out. I forgot to do an outro with Lennon, so please like, subscribe, and comment down below.